got it all, baby. Your papa, mama Burundi, my African star, baby. Na umeungwa ukaumbika, yeah.
Hey guys, what is up and welcome back to the channel. It is me, it is I, Vivi Cooks, and welcome back to another vlog. Okay, sorry. So I just finished shooting an ad right now, and yeah, for the rest of the evening I'm going to go ahead to edit and submit for approval before I get on to post. So if you're watching this video now, it's already up, so go show me some love on my Instagram. Yeah, I just wanted to start this intro with a full face of makeup because I be looking like somebody's auntie whenever I start my videos. Anyway, you guys really like this hair. Thank you so much for your comments on this weave. The only con I have with this weave is I have to constantly spray water, keep it moisturized, and that is just a lot of work for me because, like, as you can see now, it's dry, so I have to look for my spray, which I can't find, and use it on my hair. Anyway, how are we doing today? Oh, by the way, I'd like to say a huge thank you for the love on my last video. You guys are absolutely amazing. Like, I really love posting videos because I'm always looking forward to all your comments. So yeah, anyway, I'll check in with you guys later. I just wanted to do my intro, not looking like somebody's auntie, even though I still look like somebody's auntie. Am I somebody's auntie? Yeah, I am actually. Yeah, I am actually. Anyway, I'll catch up with you guys later.
I was cool being your rebel when we creep around. He gotta know about. You're safe with me. Safe house, and let me put the pressure on you. I'm standing tall. If you fall, I got you.
Do I like them? Do I like blank this thing? I woke up, like, I've been up since 6 AM actually. I haven't been doing anything. I've just been up. So today is going to be a chill day for me. I'm going to spend majority of my day in bed, editing, eating, watching movies, just relaxing basically. By the way, I know my lace is coming off. I'll take it off maybe tonight before I sleep, but yeah, I'm going to wear it today. So battery died. I'm just going to go ahead, take a shower, wear these clothes, jump back into bed, have a relaxing day. So guys, I have started editing and I'm hungry. So today I have decided that I'm not going to cook throughout today. I'm going to be having small chops for lunch. So guys, the small chops is here, and this is where it's from. It's from Afira's Munch, and this is their number, so feel free to screenshot. They have one of the best small chops ever. Just look at this. This is called money bag. Really good. I have no idea what they put inside, but it's really good. Then I also got samosa, I got one spring roll, I got meat pie and chicken wings. That's pretty much it, I believe. Oh no, I also got a plantain roll. So I also got this plantain roll over here. So this is what the money bag looks like. I've already cut into it obviously, but it tastes amazing, guys. So I'm too lazy to go and turn on the lights, but my salad is here. I ordered from Moby's Salad. I'm going to leave their Instagram on the screen. screen. My friend Obianama plugged me. It's amazing. It tastes so good. So you have the option of building your salad, and I chose to build mine. So here I have like chicken breast, I have grapes, I have apples, I have beetroots, I have sweet corn, I have pasta, carrots, cucumber, lettuce, all of that good stuff. I just took some out of there and I put it here.
Let's go, take me on this journey home. I don't wanna wait no more. Lay me down behind the moon. Tell me you'll be on real soon. I don't wanna wait no more. We could be dancing in the stars. We could be floating on the waves. As long as I'm safely in your arms. And it don't really matter where we stay. Space makes me sad.
Hello guys, good morning. So this morning I have a couple things planned. One of the things I have to do today is loosen, wash and braid my hair. Yeah, this laundry. I also have the dishes and I need to make breakfast.
Feeling like Pluto, you already knew though. I'm hiding just behind the stars, but how come the stars don't shine when it's there?
I'm hungry, I want to make something to eat, and today's category is breakfast. I have been craving English breakfast for a minute now, and I have some of the things, not all of the things, so technically it's not full English breakfast, but something close. Anyway, I just want to whip it up real quick because I have a long ass day today. Subscribe if you haven't. Thank you very much. Breakfast is served. So I'm back upstairs and I have my food here, as you can see, and then I also have my tea here. I'm going to quickly rush up and finish this food right now because my braider is waiting for me downstairs. Who else is a fan of baked beans? I absolutely love it. So today's hairstyle is inspired by Akubeze. I saw it on her last and I absolutely loved the way it looked on her, so I'm like, you know what, I'm tired of doing all back. Let me just do this style, see how it fits me, if it fits me, and then I would obviously do it more. And the food is gone. Time to wash and tame this hair.
If only I had listened for a while, I would have told you I miss your smile. I thought of you as a friend who can't let go, but when you left I could feel it grow. Like a body of water, sleeping through the
and your friends.
They just took likes. What do you guys think? I really like it.
Like a body of water, sink that through the